Okay, hi guys, welcome back to another video. And I know, guys, I'm really sorry. I just forgot to upload. And that's why I haven't uploaded in so many days, because I forgot to upload. And I was busy doing stuff, and I couldn't keep track of my YouTube channel. But now we're back on the channel. And also we have a storm system developing right here in the Gulf of Mexico. And look, in the next 5 days, the storm's gonna curve toward the Texas and Louisiana coast. And as we click on it, look, a 90% in the next 5 days, 80% in the next 48 hours. It's pretty strong. And also we have this next system coming off the coast of Africa. And we even have a system developing near the Bahamas, and even another storm coming off the coast of Africa. Okay, guys, let's go to the National Weather Service, because there's going to be some very high rain totals with this storm. This is going to causing a big rain problem and a major flooding problem. Let's get into it. Okay, guys, currently we are now on National Weather Service, and look, tomorrow in Louisiana, there's going to be some heavy rain bands. Look, high 80% chance of rain, high 70% chance of rain. Right here, there's going to be some severe storms and severe rain bands right in this area tomorrow. And look, if I click on tropical, right here's this tropical disturbance. It's talking about this system curving toward Louisiana. So it says a tropical disturbance will move into the Bay of Campeche today. This system has a high chance of developing through a tropical cyclone on Sunday as it moves towards northern Mexico and lower Texas coast. The chance of formation over the next 40 hours is 70% and 80% over the next 5 days. Says regardless of development, this system has the potential to bring significant rainfall amounts, which is correct. This storm is actually going to bring significant rainfall amounts. And look, see, it says heavy rainfall potential up here. This storm is going to bring some major amounts. But when I'm done reading this page, we're going to get into the heavy rainfall potential. So it says significant rainfall amounts to portions of coastal Texas and Louisiana for the middle of this week, and that's correct and right. All interested along the western and northwestern Gulf Coast should monitor the progress of this system. Okay, guys, now let's get to the stuff. Hey, sorry guys, there's a lawnmower going outside. Sorry about all those sounds, but let's get into it. So look at this. It says heavy rainfall possible this week. Look, Lafayette, 4 to 6 inches of rainfall. And Morgan City, 4 to 6 inches of rainfall. And look, Alexandria, Oakdale, Crowley, Jennings, 6 to 8 inches. That is some very heavy, significant rainfall. And look, Lake Charles and Cameron, 8 to 10 inches of rainfall. In Brumont, 8 to 10 inches of rainfall. Woodville, Jasper, 4 to 6 inches of rainfall. So this storm is just going to slam into Louisiana with significant heavy rain bands. And we are going to have to track this storm. And also we have small craft advisories along the Louisiana coast. Let's go to the weather map to check out the little forecast. So for tomorrow's forecast, look, right here it says mixed precipitation. Wyoming is gonna get its first ever rain and it's gonna get its first ever rain and snowfall. That's gonna be pretty good because it's getting its first ever snowfall and people might have fun in the snow. And look, on day 3, the storm is going to create heavy rain bands along the Texas and Louisiana coast. See, the red means heavy rain / flash flooding possible in this area. And look how wide the rain bands are. Look, this big, huge, ginormous green area, rain and thunderstorms, and up here, humongous and giant, heavy, widespread rain bands. And look right here, more rain and mixed precipitation. Okay, guys, let's get into tropical tidbits to check and see the rain totals and the wind speed and where the storm is actually going. Okay, guys, currently we're in tropical tidbits right now, and look, watch closely on the GFS model. So as I move this arrow right here, you can see the storm strengthens right here. And it gets all the way down to a 998 and starts to strengthen. Now that I look, it gets down to a 991 with those heavy rain bands. Pink is the most highest, and it's literally in the pink. Now that it takes that sharp curve toward Louisiana, there's significant rain bands and significant rainfall with the storm. And after that storm just curves towards Louisiana, brings heavy, heavy rain bands to Louisiana. Not that it just dies there. Okay, let's check the total accumulated precipitation. Okay, so in Opelousas, there's gonna be about a foot of rain there. Right around Lafayette, there's gonna be 9 inches of rainfall in Lafayette. Lake Arthur is going to get around 14 to 16 inches of rainfall. That's big time rainfall there. Okay, let's check the storm's wind speed. Okay, it now has upgrades. So right here, storm upgraded to about 64 to 80 knot winds. And guys, look, they have like a pretty strong storm up here near Colorado. And that could be a windstorm or a derecho. I don't know what that'll be. But as the storm gets on the coast, there will be some strong winds. Okay, so Lafayette is going to get 40 to 46 knot winds, which is equivalent to 48 to 53 mile an hour winds, in between or around that number. Okay, let's go to the current storms and check the track of Invest 94L. You can see Invest 94L is looking very organized, and some of those pinks is popping up on the satellite. And you can see the models are showing it's gonna like curve toward Louisiana. Right here, see? Models are showing it will curve toward Louisiana. So models are showing it will go up toward Texas and just curve up toward Arkansas, but a lot of models are kind of turning toward Louisiana, so we're still gonna have to track the storm. And look, you can see that I have a lot of the models curving toward Louisiana. That means there could be a high pressure near Texas steering the storm. And look, here this one shows it's steering toward Louisiana also. And the storm's gonna go almost near a Category 1 hurricane, which is pretty strong. Let's check the satellite imagery of the storm. Hey, I'm just gonna have to wait till it loads. Wow, look at that satellite. Satellite looks kind of amazing. Like, look right here. See, they have a lot of those pinks, and they have a lot of those blackish pink white popping up. If one of those pinks pop up, that means the storm is breathing pretty good, and it's getting very organized and strengthening pretty rapidly. Like, guys, look. Right down here, they have some pretty strong pinks here, and right here, that pretty strong pinks. The pinks mean there's very strong, powerful, organized thunderstorms. With this strong dangerous storm. Well, let's go to not tropical tidbits. Let's go to windy.com to check the rain totals and wind gust and some other stuff. Okay, now we are on windy.com. And also the GFS model will show the same track just like on tropical tidbits, guys. Just watch. So the GFS is showing that storm's gonna get pretty strong. Kind of weaken near the coast. So it'll hit Louisiana as kind of like a weak storm. Okay, let's check the wind gust. Wind gusts around 50 miles an hour. Okay, by the time it makes landfall, wind gust is going to be in the 30s. Possibly in the 40s. And the wind gust is going to be very weak. And let's check the wind accumulation, because the wind accumulation will show us the track. So this is the storm's track. So the storm's track shows that it'll go straight. It'll kind of curve toward Texas a little bit, and then it'll take a sharp turn toward Louisiana. And probably slam into Lafayette, Carencro, or either Opelousas or somewhere around that area. And guys, watch this. In the next 10 days, guys, look, in the next 10 days, Lafayette, almost 8 inches rainfall. That is some very heavy rainfall. Intercoastal City, around 10 inches. That's a lot. Around Lake Arthur, 10 inches. Somewhere near Abbeville, 9 inches. Crowley, 8 inches. And some heavy rainfall. This part of Louisiana, there's actually a foot of rain located around here. Now look right here, 12 inches of rainfall in Louisiana. That's some very heavy, significant rainfall with this storm. Let's check the wave heights of the storm. Yeah, look, the storm is gonna have around 20 feet waves. Look, around the Texas coast, around 9 to 10 feet. That's pretty strong. And the Louisiana coast, 7 to 8 feet. Okay, well, Guys, that's gonna be the end for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I can update you guys at 8 p.m. when the storm becomes a depression or not. So I can see you guys at the 8 p.m. or 8 o'clock update. Goodbye.